Hey guys, do it for fun here, and welcome to another Space Agency Let's Play. Today we are continuing our mission. In here, this is our little thing that went to the moon and slingshotted off the moon to Mars. So our mission today is to launch two... is to launch two resupply modules in orbit. One of which will not have supplies in it, which will be this one. It will only be used for the refueling mission. Oh, I can't do that. So then we will put fairings on here. It will rendezvous with the ATV up at the top and refuel with the ATV and then let go, and since there is no fuel left, we can deconstruct it, which is basically a self-destruct. So first we're going to launch the first one, which will not have supplies of any kind, so this should be a quick launching mission. And then we will get it ready for hold on, I'll wait for it to close the power because it's stressful.
Yeah, that's what I just...
So we can get it ready by to go to Saturn once we dock and get everything ready, and we will go to Saturn in the next episode where we will feature gravity assist and all that juiciness. So we will give gravity assist from the moon to Mars, and we will use gravity assist from Mars also, because Mars has a stronger gravity. The moon doesn't help that much either, because it doesn't have very much gravity, but it helps a little bit. Gravity assist does save fuel, so we can use gravity assist to get from the moon to Mars, and then use gravity assist to get from Mars to Saturn. But that's not what we're going to be doing in this episode. We'll be doing that in the next episode. So let's drift, because we need as much fuel as we can. Let's set the fairings. Now we need to be very careful here as we get up into orbit. So this might just be going a little faster than us, so let's just slow us down a little bit and rotate. Rotate. Boop. And this is where we're using the rest of our fuel. This is our retrograde burn to get into our orbit of it. We might have to use some of the thrusters here. Okay, we seem to be getting there pretty quickly. And stop. Ooh, stop. What do you not understand? So that is about lowering a little bit and then switching around. Oh, come on, don't run in. Ooh, yeah. Stop. And slow down a little bit more. And this is the hardest part, docking. And now that we're docking, it's a nail-biting moment. So, sorry guys, that's the garage. I'm gonna have to talk loud. So we are in 2 minutes here.
Whoa, that was so cool.
Hold up. As it goes faster than us. We are completely out of fuel on our other things, so we can't slow down or speed it up. I mean, we could use thruster fuel, but we need that little sliver to... I mean, we don't have thruster fuel. We can use the other fuel. But just to make sure how straight we are straightened up. Speed up. And slow down. Oh, jeez. Shoot. Oh gosh. This is so scary. Ah! That's a problem. That's a big problem right there. I think we're gonna have to blow this thing up. No, we cannot. We're gonna delete that and bring this baby back. Come on, baby, come on, baby. This is extremely hard. I am gonna have to delete it. Now, wait, you know what we could have done? Here's what we're gonna do. It's a cheat, but I'm gonna do it anyway. And orbiting Hom. So we're gonna do this all over again. I'm gonna pause the video till I get that thing up into orbit, okay? Okay, guys, we are back. I'm gonna separate the stage there. I'm surprised out. Just went into orbit. Come on. Come on. Slow down and then let's roll it this way. We're going to use our thruster fuel to get to that orbit up there. The orbital maneuvering is so hard, and if I need to, I can just exit out and refresh this whole thing. It is cheating, but it works. And stop, 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 stop. Go, 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 and go. Stop. Okay, I think I am in perfect orbit. Now, so since we're behind it, what we're going to do is go faster than it. Docking behind it is actually much, much easier than docking in front of it. Yeah, we're going faster than it. Perfect. Let's do this.
It was for fun.
What?
I saw how close you got to hitting your
That thing. Yeah. That was so scary. So now what we're going to do, once we get closer to the docking area, we will slow down, because it is going fast. We will slow down to about the same speed it is going, and then we will be docked. And this will take up most of the fuel, but it is how I found out to do. Easy now. Oh gosh. We are only going slightly faster than it. This is a breath-holding moment, guys. And docked. Woo! So now what we're gonna do is transport some fuel, and this is our first one, which is mission success, question mark. So mission success. So we're gonna do, since we do have a little bit of thruster fuel left, we will go to main fuel tank and oh no, cancel. We want to switch to this main fuel tank and thruster fuel tank. That will fill up our thruster fuel. What's left of it, anyway. And it's filling into the green. Looking good. So this is called transporting fuel. This is our... And it is done. Okay, so after we got that, let's switch that off and let's switch back to that. So this is completely full. So I believe that means, and this might hurt me a little bit just losing these batteries, but they're probably almost dead anyway. Let me check. No, they're a sliver of the way there. But it's gonna hurt me with these batteries but first thing we want to do, yeah, switch that off. Did we just, yeah, let's make sure the power's so then what we're gonna do is SEP, and once we're a good distance away, watch this is pretty cool. It's a good way of getting rid of deconstruct. See, if we've done that with the gas tank, it would have also blown up the ATV. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I'm freezing. We're gonna send up another resupply module. which we'll build right here. So we can go ahead and put 2 batteries, O2, battery didn't go in there, and CO2. The reason why we need carbon dioxide, it doesn't let it into the air, it collects the carbon dioxide that the crew is emitting. And then whatever fuel we have left, we can transfer into the tanks. So we can go ahead and do that and launch. Shouldn't be shaking like this. T minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Engine start. 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. And clear the tower. Guys, yes, this will be the hardest mission we are ever going to be doing. I mean, we might do multiple of these missions. Ooh, rolling. If you don't roll, it slows you down and it flips you over. It's called trajectory. We're speeding, engine cut off, stage set, skirt set, engine cut on. And once I see stars, I'll coast. Start coasting when I see stars. I see black, but I don't see stars. Well, I see stars, but let's coast in 3, 2, 1, coast. Because we do want enough energy, or enough power to get up there. So let's separate that, and it is in the same orbit. We are just in front of it. We want to go around behind it. First, what I want to do is get out of the way of that satellite, and then, or the telescope. Then we're gonna spin and stop. And then we're gonna go up here with the remaining fuel we have. Might have to use some of the thruster tank. We are behind it now, I think. Now I might have to stop right now. And a little bit more. And there. Right about there. Let's lower our orbit just a little bit. There we go. That's enough. Now we're going to roll this way. Now what we're going to do is speed up using our thruster tank because we're all out of fuel at the moment. Now, as I said, it is a lot easier to dock to the back than the front. I don't know why, it's just my opinion. It's easier to dock to the back than the front. Going to speed up just. We need to go faster than it. We're going nowhere near faster. Let's go there. There. That's faster. That's near faster. Now, we just wait. Come on. Let's just go just a tad faster just to speed this process up. Jeez. My grandma's getting mad. So this is the most scariest part. And if I mess this up, I'm not gonna exit out and save. Because because then that would just waste my time. Because it would just... I could have saved. Right, actually I should save right now. That's what I should do. Could go ahead and exit out and save from where I'm at, and that way I'll be already into space and in orbit of the thing. I don't feel like it. I'm not going to save. Just puts a lot more pressure, and I'm not going to say fun when it has pressure, but it's a little challenging when I have pressure on my back, so it's good. I like a good challenge. We are gaining on this dude. Gaining on it here. Come on. We ended up in very high orbit for a reason. To make it harder on me. And yes, almost there. Let's just gradually slow down as I get there. Almost there. Hold up. We gotta be careful not to knock it so that it's diagonal. Actually, we don't have to be that careful anymore. Come on. Nail biting. Slow down just a little bit. Spin. Spin. Jeez. Spin. Spin. There we go. Just spin a little bit. Speed up. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on. Let's do this. And slow down. Just gradually. Oh, jeez. God. Docked. So now, what we're going to do is gas. Turn that on. Can you? Thank you. Switch to this. Don't make that same mistake the last time. And then transfer whatever's left. There's nothing left in that tank, so thruster propellant tank, and then whatever's left in that tank. And I think we are good here for fuel. We might be full. We're full. We're full. We're full. We're full. So that's perfect. So now what we're going to do is go here and see what we've got here. So the reason why I didn't put H2O in there is because we barely use H2O for some reason. So, yeah. Either that or I have a lot of water in there. But we're going to start off with new tanks, even though it's a sliver of the way there. So we're going to dispose of all these. Then we're going to transport these to here, these to here, and then we're going to go ahead and dispose of these and transport the O2 to there, and then, wait, what? What just happened? So, how did that happen? Oh God. God. Okay, rocket. Shoot. Straighten out, please. Straighten out. I should probably lower these orbits here. I'm gonna lower this guy. A little bit of a problem here, but we got this. Oh, we can't lower it. Oh, brilliant. Perfect. We can't lower it. Okay. So I guess we're gonna have to stick with it. Hopefully, we should probably go a little bit faster than it here. That's what we're gonna do. How fast is it going? We're going there. Oh, we're going faster than it. We're going faster than it. We're going plenty fast. So here's what we're gonna do. Since we've done that, we want to start off with full fuel, so we're gonna go to there and then refuel us there. Perfect. Now, that thing's almost out of fuel. So I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna launch it backwards, slow it down, and then blow it up. I think that's what I'm gonna do, because we're done here. So we're gonna turn that off. I'm gonna go there and disconnect. There we go. Now, backwards. So what we're gonna do, and then as we slow down, we are going much Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hit it and blow up that, because that's in our way. There we go. Deconstruct. There we go. I'm not gonna blow that up, because that was one of our missions. One of the missions I've done. Okay, so we are now set to go to Saturn here. So, in the next episode, we will go to Saturn using gravity assist in our, to the moon. Using gravity assist from the moon and gravity assist from Mars to go to Saturn. And then we'll slingshot to Mars, use gravity assist from Mars to the moon, and come back to Earth and do the same resupply thing. Okay, so, and then we'll use gravity assist from the moon to Mars, then to Saturn, and then to Uranus, the other one. I mean, these planets are not in order, so I don't really know what it is. I gotta, like, try and identify it. Yeah, if you guys like this episode here, please leave a like. And I want to thank you all very much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!